For our next story, we go inside the human brain. Forget AI chips and supercomputers. The newest tech whizzes aren't silicon. They're squishy, tiny, and they live in a petri dish. Welcome to the world of biocomputing, or as the scientists call it, wetware. In a Swiss lab, scientists are feeding tiny clumps of human brain cells the nutrient-rich cocktail they need to survive. Because these mini brains aren't just cute, they are working as real-life computers. The idea is simple. Instead of trying to mimic the brain with circuits, why not use the actual thing? And the perks are juicy. Biological neurons are 1 million times more energy efficient than artificial ones. Plus, they can be endlessly reproduced, unlike high-demand AI chips, which tech giants fight over like holiday Black Friday deals. So how do you make a brain that doubles as a processor? Well, these cells are originally taken from anonymous human skin donors. They have the superpower to transform into any type of cell in the body. So, start with stem cells, nudge them into neurons, and bundle them into tiny organoids. Stick on some electrodes, give them a tiny jolt, and voila, live neural networks firing away like a microscopic brain party. 10 universities worldwide are experimenting with Final Spark's brain organoids, so much so that the company even streams a live feed of the neurons at work. At the University of Bristol, researchers used one organoid as the brain of a simple robot that could distinguish Braille letters. Across the Atlantic, at Johns Hopkins, scientists are harnessing similar organoids to study conditions like autism and Alzheimer's. Of course, there's a catch though. These little geniuses can die mid-experiment. Scientists have had to start over more than once. Each organoid can live up to 6 months, offering a limited but tantalizing window into brain function. And before you panic about a Matrix-style uprising, these organoids aren't about to become conscious. With about 10,000 neurons compared to our 100 billion, they are just restricted to labs. Still, they have a mind of their own in mysterious ways. Scientists say that when they open the fridge in which they are kept, they can see spikes in their neural activity. Lines suddenly start spiking on the screen next to the incubator, indicating significant neural activity. Scientists have spent years trying to figure out why. Ghosts? Quantum magic? No, just another brain mystery. For now, wetware is more science fantasy than reality. But over the next 20 years, these mini brains could help AI go green, unlock brain secrets, and maybe even teach us how our brains really work.
Want the facts?
The latest developments?
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all three just for you. This is Firstpost Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.